What is going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. This is Shahryar. I'm stock and option trader, and in this video I want to explain the trade that I took on Tesla. I traded Tesla calls, and this trade was unique. Why? Because I took the trade against the larger time frame trend, right? So I will explain all of these in this video. We'll go to the charts and I will show you everything. I will show you where I took the trade, why I took the trade, and how the trade went, right? So we will explain everything. Make sure to check out my Instagram. I went live today and I traded live on Instagram. So I was literally taking the trade and I was talking live on Instagram. So if you want to learn about trading, if you want to see my trades, if you want to see me trading live, check out my Instagram, because there you can literally see me trading live, okay? So all right guys, let's go over Tesla's chart. First of all, today August 21st, you see we had a big move on Tesla, but I caught this move exactly, okay? And as you see, Tesla had a big sell-off and it kind of went from 260 all the way down till 210 in around 1 week, 2 weeks. So it was a very fast sell-off, and a pullback was kind of necessary. But what actually happened was that on Friday last week we hit this 210-ish zone, which is a critical level. It was a critical resistance, and it obviously for now acted as a really strong support. Now if you go and check out 15-minute chart, what we saw was a big gap up today, right? On Friday the market closed around 215, but we gapped up and we were holding really strongly, especially above this 220. Now this 220-ish kind of held. If you check out the 5-minute chart, this is what you can see, right? We kind of held very strongly here, and then a pullback kind of happened. We held 221, 221.5, and then finally I kind of entered around these levels. If you check out 1-minute chart, this is literally where I kind of entered around 937, where I saw a pullback and buyers held 222 with level 2 time and sales and understanding where the support and resistance is. That helped me to enter the position. I entered Tesla 225 calls and I got out of the last positions around 1024, right? So I was just kind of holding almost the whole move on Tesla, and I got out around these levels, right? Around, I think these levels, right? Yeah, these levels. So I kind of caught the whole move. Now if I go and check out everything on Das Trader, what you see is that basically I kind of entered at 937 and my exit was around 1024. I caught this whole move on Tesla. Now what helped me to hold the move was the strength on the buying side, and QQQ and overall market SPY was kind of really strong as well. I did not trade something like Nvidia. The reason was that I didn't like to trade Nvidia because the premiums are very expensive. It's very close to earning, right? So I got into the contracts around these levels, and the premiums went from $4 all the way up till almost 7.8. right? And the last few contracts I kind of closed around 6.8, almost 7, right? So again, the last few contracts I held because I wanted to hold to see if it can continue going higher. Obviously, I had this 230, 231-ish zone as a critical resistance on watch on Tesla, and I was expecting a pushback down. First of all, because it is a critical level 230. Second of all, because we had a big run. So we needed to pull back, right? So the confirmation behind entering the trade is the most important part. You want to know you have enough confirmation to enter the trade, right? And you want to basically make sure that you understand the levels and you understand where is the optimum price point for you to enter. Then you want to manage your position. You want to manage risk. You want to know how much money you want to risk for the potential profit that you want to have. In this trade, I risked $1 to make $6-7, which is really good, like really insane. And that obviously was because of this big move on Tesla, right? So we explain all of these topics, all of these strategies at Meta Trading Club, and all of our members basically take advantage of all of these trades that I personally have and other moderators also do have, right? For example, one of the greatest practices that I personally do have and I explain for our members is through basically recordings. This is literally today, like this is today's recording. I recorded my trades on Tesla, and as you see, I recorded all the trades that I took on Tesla, and you see that like when I got out, why I got out. I even explained a lot of these things, and I was even live when I was taking this trade on Instagram. So make sure to check out my Instagram to do not miss all of these daily updates on trading and investing side that I have. And all of our MTC Incubator members, they get all of these recordings with explanation, with using level 2 time on sales and understanding all the concepts behind risk management, trade management, entering, exiting, and having optimum trade strategies, right? So we do have these for all of our members. And obviously, this is MTC Incubator portal, right? This is the last incubator that just finished. And this is our portal. We have a lot of sessions, a lot of weeks. The program is a 4-week live program, but it actually ended up 5 weeks. And we have a lot of sessions in it. In addition to that, we have a lot of exclusive resources. A lot, like more than 60, 70 hours of recorded education is also there for additional information. By the way, this trade that I took today, I explained that before the market open, like literally August 21st, received before the market open. I mentioned Tesla trade in the community. And again, before the market open, I kind of explained the whole trade idea for our members. Okay, I explained exactly, I'm looking for Tesla. I had the screenshot and I knew exactly what levels I want to watch. And our members actually caught this as well. So we cover all of these topics and all of our members learn exactly how they can do the same trades that I have live with a lot of examples, and we repeat it every single day so that no one misses everything. So that no one misses anything. Okay, so if you are interested, make sure to check out the link below. Check out Meta Trading Club. And for this trade, if you have any other questions, please ask them in the comments below. I will explain all the questions that you have. And if you want to learn more, obviously, I kind of explained it earlier as well. Make sure to download my ebook. I put a lot of information into that ebook. I mean, some of that information is some advanced strategies that I personally use at the end of the book, at the last few chapters, so that you can take advantage of that. By the way, Tesla is running again. It kind of had an inverse H pattern right now, and the setup is really looking nice. The thing is that we have just 15 minutes and the move is already kind of happened. SPY and Nasdaq, they're all running, and I'm not taking any trades probably. I mean, 100%. I will not take any trades today because it doesn't make sense at this point for me because kind of it's a little bit more overextended. So I will wait for the next few days for the whole setup. If you are watching and you want to trade this week, make sure to check out NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA has earning on Wednesday, and it can be a really great opportunity to trade. So thank you very much, guys. Make sure to like this video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for the next few trade recaps that we're gonna have in this channel. See you guys in the next video.